How to install motorized door blinds. Tools to prepare. Electric drill. Gloves. After unpacking, you need to arrange the blinds roughly. The two long ones are the side rails. This is the lower rail. This is the top rail with fabric. Take out the cover first. Note that the cover with the power supply cannot be pulled out directly. You need to break it gently. Insert the power cord. Organize the wires. Align the two slots for assembly. Pressing. Locking screws. Assemble the other positions as well. Install both ends of the lower rail at the same time. Note, do not assemble the four covers yet. Then test the blind in an upright position. The fabric should on the top. After the test, insert the blinds into the door/window frame. Secure the blind to the door/window frame with screws. Be careful to avoid power cords. Tidy up the wires after fixing. Attach the covers. Be careful not to press on the power cords. Align and press firmly. Install the four covers in turn. Installation is complete. You can control the blinds with the buttons on the panel. Here is the Type-C charging port. You can also use the remote control to control the blinds.